How to listen to music offline on eSound. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can listen to music offline on eSound. So let's get started. So this is the app that we're talking about. For this app, you can get it from App Store or Google Play Store. If you already have it, don't forget to hit the update button. So let us go to our App Store and search for eSound. And after you search for it, if you see an update button, tap on it. So listening to music offline on eSound is only available for Android users, so this video is for you. So after you've opened it up, you just need to create an account here. Just create an account, and after you do so, just open up the song that you want to download. After you tap on it, you will see a 3 dots on your option when it plays. After you see that, you will see a download option. Tap on download, and after you tap on download, you can access the downloads from library here. After you go to library, you will get a download section. Just tap on download section, and there you will see the list of your downloaded music. So you can listen to music offline from eSound like that. So that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and